welcome back to Kuhat Show. Today, as we saw in the intro, we will be making a salmon and asparagus bake. So as you saw, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. And now we are going to make our mix that is going to cover our salmon. We're going to use some maple syrup, as you see it. This is the maple syrup I've said in my previous videos, straight from Vermont. Highly recommend. Very, very good. If you're ever up in the Vermont area, make sure you get some of this because it's very good. So as you see, we are going to do a 1/4 cup of Vermont. I use these measuring cups. Makes it nice and easy. I'm not eyeballing today. I'm actually using measuring cups. Hey, look at that. But anyway, so next we are going to take some soy sauce. This is the soy sauce I use. It's a little less sodium, which, hey, helps. Trying to be healthy, right? Like healthy. We're going to use a little 38% less sodium. Put a tablespoon of soy sauce. You can do 2, as you see. Just going to mix this in here like so. And I'm going to use the cap as a little holder. So next we are going to take our minced garlic. And again, I am using the measuring on this one. There's one minced garlic. You can use about 2 teaspoons is normally is enough. If you want to add a little more, you can add a little more. It is totally up to you. Just gonna mix this in a little bit like so. And then we're gonna take some salt and pepper for a little bit of taste. And that, and then now, as I mix, I'm going to let you listen to a little bit of music, so enjoy. So now I do not show it in this video, but I did put the glaze mix that we made on top of the salmon. You can put a little bit on each piece of salmon and then use a spoon and just put it all over the salmon so you get every little bit of the salmon. And then the rest over you just put on the asparagus. Now as you see, we are going to set our timer for 25 minutes to let it cook. And now it is time to take it out of the oven. And you're going to grab your mince because, hey, safety first, right? Always about safety. You see, I give a little thumbs up to it for safety, right? Always safety first. Now we're going to turn it off. I'm going to take these and we're going to put them on the counter so you don't put the hot baking sheet onto your counter. We're just going to take it out of the oven like so. And now here you go. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'll move it over so you can see a little bit. There we go. Okay. But anyway, here you go. Here is your salmon and asparagus bake. Nice and easy, quick meal. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And as I always say, enjoy and Smacznego. If you like it, hit that like button.